Welcome! In this lesson, we will solve two 3-digit addition problems in 3 different ways. We'll also review the place value table all the way from ones up to a billion, so you will see where carries go when sums cross hundreds and thousands. Let's get started. Before we add, let's recall the place value table. From right to left, the columns are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, and so on up to 1 billion. I'll show a compact table with the main named columns up to billions. Let's solve problem A, 478 plus 365. We'll solve it 3 ways. First, the standard column algorithm. Write down 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens. Now, the tens, 7 plus 6 plus the carry 1 equals 14. Write down 4 and carry 1 to the hundreds. Finally, add the hundreds. For plus 3 plus the carried 1 equals 8. So our answer is 843. Method 2 uses the place value table and expanded form. We'll place each number into hundreds, tens, and ones, and add column by column. Now add column by column. Ones. 8 plus 5 equals 13, which is 1 10 and 3 ones. Tens. 70 plus 60 equals 130. That is 3 tens and 100. Hundreds. 400 plus 300 equals 700. Combine all carries and totals. 700 plus 100 equals 800, plus 30 equals 840, plus 3 equals 843. So again, we get 843. Method 3 uses stepwise addition or adding in parts, which is great mentally. We add hundreds, then tens, then ones, or add the large chunk first, then the small chunk. 478 plus 365. Start by adding 300. 478 plus 300 is 778. This shows clearly the logic. Add 300, then add 60, then add 5. It is equivalent to expanded form, but done as successive mental steps. We again end with 843. Now let's do problem B, 789 plus 647. This example will create a carry into the thousands, so you will see why the place value table up to thousands is useful. Method 1, standard column addition. Put the numbers stacked. Start with the ones column. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Write 6 in the ones, carry 1 to the tens. Now, tens. 8 plus 4 plus carried 1 equals 13 tens. Write 3 tens and carry 100 to the hundreds. Hundreds. 7 plus 6 plus 100 carry equals 14 hundreds, which is 1,400. So the full result is 1,436. Method 2, place value table. We'll place 789 as 700s, 8 tens, 9 ones, and 647 as 600s for tens, and 7 ones. Add each column and show carries into thousands. Explain these sums. Ones 9 plus 7 equals 16. That's 1 10 and 6 ones. Tens 80 plus 40 plus the carried 10 equals 120, which is 2 tens and 100. Hundreds 700 plus 600 plus the carried 100 equals 1,300. That places 1 in the thousands column and leaves 300 in hundreds column. Combine. 1,000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 6 equals 1,436. Method 3. Add in chunks. A helpful way is to add the big hundreds first, then tens, then ones, or add to round numbers. For 789 plus 647, do this. 789 plus 600 equals 1,389. Then add 40 to get 1,429. Then add 7 to get 1,436. Let's summarize. We solved both problems 3 ways: the column algorithm, the place value table and expanded form, and stepwise chunk addition. The place value table is especially powerful because it shows where carries go, even into the thousands or millions if needed. Here are some quick tips. Always align digits by place, keep track of carries, and if you prefer mental math, add in chunks. You can use whichever method is easiest for you. Thanks for watching and practice these 3 methods until they feel natural.